In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the CostMiner cost calculator. This tool is an essential asset for anyone involved in construction estimating and takeoff. It helps you measure and manage costs efficiently, ensuring you stay within budget for your construction projects. Let's dive into how you can get started with this intuitive software. First, you'll need to head over to the CostMiner website. It's the hub of all activities you'll need for your project. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. If you don't have an account, make sure to sign up first, and once you're all set, enter your credentials and click on the Login button to access your dashboard. Upon logging in, you'll see a list of your projects. Select the specific project you want to work on by clicking on it. This action will bring you to the project overview page where you can manage different aspects of your construction plan. Now that you're in the project, you'll want to locate and click on the plan you intend to work with. This view allows you to inspect and make adjustments to the specifics of your selected project. For instance, let's consider you want to measure the bedroom wall for painting. Start by using the length tracer tool available in the interface. This feature allows you to outline the wall by tracing its length precisely. Locate the starting point of the wall and drag to trace the wall's contour until you reach the end point. When you've reached the conclusion of the wall, click on the endpoint and press enter. This action will add this measurement to your project, and you'll be able to see it appear in the bottom section of your screen for reference and further computation. Suppose you need to subtract elements like windows from your wall measurement. In this case, you'll want to trace the length of the window just as you did with the wall. Identify the endpoint of the window and click on it to record the dimensions. This is a crucial step because unaccounted measurements can lead to inaccurate cost estimations. After recording the window length, turn your attention to the plus-minus column. Here, you'll make a pivotal adjustment. Click on this column and change the value to a minus sign. This action will automatically adjust the total length by subtracting the window measurement from the overall wall length. The software does the heavy lifting by recalculating these measurements for you, ensuring your estimates are precise. By following these steps, you can efficiently use the CostMiner cost calculator to manage project costs accurately. This method provides a streamlined approach to ensure your project estimations are exact and within budgetary constraints. Remember, making sure every measurement is correct and accounted for eliminates unforeseen expenses and keeps your project running smoothly.